Now we come to the last part of the content writing basics. It is related to the content writing challenges. Do you think becoming a content writer is a challenging job? Let's see what are the challenges. While content writing is an exciting and growing field, there are several challenges you should be aware of. First, there are a ton of content writers already working out there, willing to work for almost nothing. They drive content prices down, so don't expect to get rich quickly or at all as a content writer. The second one, it takes a great deal of work to develop enough page views on a blog or a YouTube channel to generate real ad revenue. The third one, if you are a freelancer, many clients will require your pieces to be ghost-written, which means you won't get credit for the work produced. The last part, if you are self-employed or freelancing, it can be like a feast or famine. You have to be adapt to periods of no work or even no money coming in. So there are advantages and drawbacks to content writing just like anything else.